Today on LD3D Open Box Series, MakerBox.
Alright, well let's just see what's in this box. They are always amazing, and remember, MakerBoxes are a subscription that you too can have coming to your home. They've got 3 separate plans, and you can choose the one that best fits you. So I have the Everything box, which has both different types of plans all in one box, because I like the ability to pick and choose the things that I really want to work with. And then I have extra filaments that I might go ahead and combine all together into one big long filament and do some crazy prints with. That might be fun, but let's see what's in this box this time, because it could be anything. Let's see. So it's really exciting. So MakerBox has contracts with other filament manufacturers from all over the world, and they bring all of those separate companies and they put them into test size amounts inside the box. So you don't have to buy a full spool to see if you like it or if you don't. So this is this month, which is July 2019. This is what they've got in here this time. Well, they start off with our treats, which are always great. We have a BASF sticker. We have a Replay 3D instruction card that gives some other colors of filament and some other instructions. We have the Read This, which is of course upside down as usual. And this is the promo code so that I can use it for the discounts page on the website. We have a MakerBox sticker, which is really nice. That's going to go on the sticker wall. We have a SnoLabs sticker and detailed cutouts. That's going to go on the wall. And oh, we have a card for October 12th and 13th, 2019, the East Coast Rep Rap Fest, and it's being held in Maryland this year. So maybe I'll go and I can meet some of you. That would be kind of amazing. Let's see if we can make that happen. So starting out, we get some LW PLA, which is in the natural color. Oh, well, this is a totally different type of PLA. So this actually changes the density according to the temperature you set for this. So a project that comes to mind is something that you need to float on water. If you change the density of that part, it's going to float. Or if you need it to be more lightweight in a circumstance where weight is an issue, say for making model airplanes, you could use this as some of the strut material and make the airplane more lightweight. Those are a couple of things. So you regulate that according to the temperature, and the hot end temperature should be regulated between 195 and 260. So the hotter it is, the more foaming action it will make. And that's pretty incredible. Print speeds are 40 to 100 millimeters per second. You don't have to have a heated bed, but it could go up to 60°C. You do need to have cooling with this. This is by Color Fab, and it's made in the Netherlands. So that one is really exciting. Our next one here is recycled PLA. So I've been wanting to try some recycled materials and see how they stack up against the virgin materials versus the recycled materials. It is coming from Replay 3D, which we have their card here. And the hot end temperature should be 210 to 230. The bed temperature is not listed, speed is not listed, cooling is yes, and other notes is none. So this is 100% recycled filament. It's PLA from US-based filament manufacturers. So a great product made in the USA from recycled materials. And it's PLA. That's cool. Our next one here is Amethyst Black, and it kind of has this purple black kind of goldeny speckled look to it. It's really, really beautiful. The hot end temperature is 190 to 230, so typical PLA. Bed temperature is none to 80 degrees C, a little bit warmer on the bed temperature. Speed is 60 to 100 millimeters per second. The cooling is yes, other is none. And this has additives to tighten and strengthen your prints. So it could be cool. It's from SnoLabs, and that's made in China. This is unique. Oh, this is really cool. This is Heritage Brick. This is by Treed, and I don't see what type of filament it is, but it is 220 to 240, so that seems to be maybe ABS, or maybe a build grade or spec grade PLA. I'll have to do some research with the manufacturer and see what kind of filament this is. But the hot end temperature is 220 to 240 C. Bed temperatures are 85 to 115 C. The speed is 60 to 70 millimeters per second. The cooling is low to none. And the information on it is from the Treed architectural materials line for prints with a brick-like finish. This is really cool, and it's made in Italy. The last set that we have is from the MakerBox Easy PLA series, and this is 4 separate colors, and they vary in colors every month. This month we have Clearly Natural, which is the top one. We have Ocean Blue, which is the second one, which is a beautiful blue. It's a dark, almost purple blue, but just more blue than purple. The yellow is Daffodil Yellow, and a little bit brighter yellow than what we had last month. Last month was a little more pastel. And it does have Grass Green, which is really pretty. Now this comes from 3D Fule, and this is also made in the USA. Now that concludes what we have in our MakerBox, and I would say that this gives us quite a variety of unique materials, especially the foaming and the brick, as well as the fully recycled. So I'm really interested to start doing some tests with those. I'm curious on the foaming one, or the multi-density, but it does say it foams, on what quality of prints you get out of that, as far as do you get fine details, or is this more like a block and print type filament? We'll have to do some testing on that. But that concludes our open box series here with LD3D. I hope you've enjoyed seeing what you get in the MakerBox series. MakerBox is a subscription-based plan that gives you multiple different filaments depending upon the plan that you get, and I recommend them highly. They've given us some really incredible things through the months. So with that said, I just want to conclude by saying happy printing, everybody, and bye for now.